Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi with the Shaker hood. So we'll just start at the back here. It's a blue pearl metallic on black leather interior. So here's the trunk on the Challenger, fair sized trunk on the Challenger. You can fit lots of items in there. If I pull this up underneath, we've got a a donut spare, and then we also have the battery here in the trunk. We've got the license plate bracket down there that has not yet been installed. So if you choose to put an undermount on, you can, or if you want to use that one, you can as well. It's there. Have a look in the seams, nice and clean. Very nice looking car. Just close this up. Have a look from the back. So there's dual exhaust on it. They're nice aftermarket pipes that have been put on. We've got the reverse parking sensors along the back there. We've got the LED tail lights, and we've got the reverse camera and the flat black matte wing spoiler there. So that's great. So we'll just shift over to the side. We'll have a look. Here's your rear wheel. So no curb rash, no issues. And it's got nice Goodyear Eagle F1 tires on there. So that's great. We'll just move over here. So here we are at the passenger side. So it's got the nice leather insert on the door panel there. It's got a nice brown or brownie tan baseball stitching, which looks really good. We've got power windows, power locks, and we've got an Alpine stereo in here as well. So on the floor, we've got the Challenger mats with the orange tanny color piping that matches the seats. And there's the seat. So there's the passenger side is a manual seat. And as you see, you've got the nice perforated leather there for the heated and cooled seats, and we've got that baseball stitching. We've got Shaker embroidered into the seat, and I'll just pull this seat forward so we can have a look in the back. So same thing on the floor, we've got the mats that match, and we've got the baseball stitching along the seats, and as you can see, the seats are in really good shape. Looks good. So we'll just move this back, and as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So let's see, we've got a screwdriver, we've got the original books, and that's it. So that's perfect, that's all there. We've got the Shaker logo on the vent here, and as you can see, the dash is in fabulous condition. No cracks, no issues, looks good. So we'll just hop out, close this one up, and I'll just stand down the side of the car for you. No dings, no dents, looks good. There's your Hemi logo, and here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and nice Goodyear F1 tires on there. So here we are under the hood. So this is the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine, which is 375 horsepower, paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's very clean under here. It's got the Shaker hood with the intake, and it's a working intake. So the air drives in through the ram air, goes down through the cold air, which goes into the, actually I think I did that backwards. So it comes down here, goes in here, feeds through the filter, and then in through the air intake there. So very cool. And we'll just close this up, and I'll let you have a look from the front. There it is. So it's got the italic Challenger logo on this side here. We've got the nice projector headlight with the Xenon HID headlight and the LED daytime running lights. And then on this side, you've got your RT logo in red, and same thing with the headlights on that side. We've got fog lights down below, and we also have the radar sensor for the adaptive cruise control in the center. So that's all there. And let me take a look at the hood. This is a very clean car, so I don't see anything, nothing for me to point out to you. So the front end looks fabulous. Here's your front wheel. Again, no curb rash, no issues. Goodyear Eagle F1 tires on there. And we'll have a look back here. Same thing back here. And then you've got your matte black fuel door here. Very cool. So here we are at the driver's side. So we've got power mirrors, power locks, power windows with auto up down. Again, the nice baseball stitching with the leather insert. We've got the Alpine radio in it. We've got the brushed nickel look or sorry, not nickel, brushed aluminum look door handle. And here's the kick plate. Looks great. And on the driver's side, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, and lumbar and side bolster adjustment. And here's the condition of the seat for you to see with the Shaker embroidery. Looks great. Wow, very good condition. And as I get in, just have a look at the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and start this one up. All right. Shaker. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 15,108 kilometers on it. Nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. On this side, we've got our arrow keys, which will control the different settings on the dash there. So you can go through those. It's got performance apps, driver assist, so adaptive cruise control, fuel economy, trip, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to speedometer. Down here we've got Bluetooth controls and voice command controls. Up the top we've got a paddle shifter here, and over here we've got our cruise control settings here, and we've got our distance settings for the adaptive cruise control. So essentially when the cruise control is set, if you catch up to the person in front of you, it will automatically slow you down to the distance that you have set from the vehicle in front of you. So that's great. Very cool feature. And over here we've got our push button start, and then we've got our radio, so 8.4 inch Uconnect radio. If we go radio here, we've got AM, FM, XM. If we go climate, we've got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, and dual zone climate control. Controls, so you've got the dimming rear view mirror control there, and again the heated seats and steering wheel. And some other apps and quick settings there. And then we've got nav, view map, so here's your full factory navigation, and then performance control, so it's got the performance pages, and then your phone, so you can pair a phone to it as well. I'll just move the shifter out of the way. Here's some of your buttons below. So we've got sport, back, super track, I believe that's front collision avoidance, and then we've got traction, parking sensors off, your volume, your tune, some quick buttons for your climate control as well. And then if I put this in reverse, there's your backup camera, and here's your shifter. So very nice shifter with the manual mode with the leather wrapped boot. And then we've got this nice brushed metal finish here as well, illuminated cup holders. And in the center console, we've got auxiliary in, USB, SD, and 12-volt socket. So that's all there. So let's just hop out with it running and have a listen. Nice sounding machine. There it is from the front with the headlights and the fog lights on. Sounds good. We'll just scan down this side. Looks good. Here it is from the back. On the listen. Nice chug to it. And there you have it, folks. 2016 Dodge Challenger RT Shaker. Here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.